Hi Leo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 29th of August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is the Queen of Pentacles, the Sun card, and the Three of Pentacles. Now person B here has the Four of Swords, the Death card, and the Strength card. Now bottom of the deck I have 10 of Cups, which means that both of you have emotions for each other. Both of you feel, but maybe there could be a situation which is a temporary situation here wherein maybe you are not talking to each other. Now what I'm seeing from the first set of cards is you have the Queen of Pentacles energy, which means that you're doing quite well for yourself. You're abundant and you're doing financially good. The next card what I see is the Sun card, which means that it's a really positive card, because when you have the Sun energy, it means that everything is lit up, all the positive things happen, and anything which was hidden also comes out. Okay, now the third card that I see for you is the Three of Pentacles. Now Three of Pentacles in some cases would mean that it could be a third party scenario, or for the others it could also mean that there is a situation, okay, apart from your person there could be another situation which is causing you a little bit of stress, and it's taking your time and it's kind of interfering in this relationship. Now person B here, they have the Four of Swords, which means that this person has taken a little bit of a time off. They have pulled their energy back and they're just reflecting on what has happened in this relationship. The second card for them I see is the Death card, which means that there's some kind of a transformation that they are expecting in this relationship, and post that happens they know that they will have to put in a lot of strength, and they have to be really brave to deal with this situation, because their next card is the Courage card, which means that a lot of strength, a lot of bravery is required in order to take care of this situation that both of you may be facing currently. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. The first card that I see is the Nine of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Knight of Wands. Now with the Nine of Wands, this person is a little defensive. This person has built a wall around themselves. There could be something that they don't want to discuss, and that's why they have built a wall around themselves. And this person is willing to fight as well, okay, whatever they are trying to protect, be it that they are trying to protect themselves or maybe a secret or anything, okay, they are just trying to go ahead and build a wall around so that nobody gets to know about it, and they're willing to fight for it as well. Now the third card that I see is the Knight of Wands. With that, it's a very fast moving energy, and knights are not very committed, okay, so this person will rush in. Maybe they want to just have a good night, right, okay, with you. They just want to enjoy with you, and then they will walk out. So you can't expect commitment right now from this person, because they are not in that mature energy right now. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for you and your person for this particular week. So the card's message is luck is on your side. That's a very positive card. It means that luck is going to favor you in whatever you want to go ahead and do in this particular relationship. Now let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Azurite. The crystal message is, do you want to improve and trust your intuition? Activate your third eye and exercise your sensory gifts. You receive messages from the divine all the time. It is now time to notice the signs, interpret them, and use the higher guidance to create ease in your life. Now the message here from Archangel Raziel, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and like I always say, stay safe and love yourself first.